Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fit Life Hub, your go-to source for all things health and wellness. If you're returning to our channel, it's great to see you again. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our weekly content. Today, we're diving into a super hot topic, especially as we are into 2024. Foods to avoid if you're managing rheumatoid arthritis or RA. Whether it's you or someone you love battling RA, tweaking your diet could make a world of difference in how you feel every day. Let's kick things off with sugars and refined carbs. Love your morning donut or that occasional soda? These might be making your RA symptoms worse by spiking your blood sugar and boosting inflammation. Instead, why not reach for whole grains or natural sweeteners like stevia? These are much gentler on your body and won't toss your inflammation into chaos. 2. Red and processed meats. Next up, red and processed meats. While they can be protein-rich, they also contain AGs, which could be ramping up your inflammation. Switching to fish with omega-3s or incorporating more plant-based proteins like lentils can be beneficial alternatives that are both delicious and RA-friendly. 3. Gluten-containing foods. Number 3. Gluten. If you find your joints flare up after a pasta feast, gluten might be your foe. Going gluten-free might help alleviate some symptoms and improve your gut health. Plenty of grains out there are naturally gluten-free. Think quinoa and buckwheat. These could be your new best friends in the kitchen. 4. Dairy products. Dairy is up next. It can be inflammatory for some people, though it's definitely on a case-by-case basis. Experiment with cutting out dairy and try almond, soy, or oat milk as tasty, nutritious alternatives. 5. Alcohol. Alcohol can interfere with your RA medication and spike your inflammation levels. If you choose to drink, opt for moderation and consider drinks low in sugar and high in anti-inflammatory benefits like red wine. 6. Salt and preservatives. Salt and preservatives can be huge culprits when it comes to RA. These additives might worsen your joint swelling and discomfort. Go for fresh, whole foods to keep your salt intake in check. 7. Fried and fast foods. Lastly, the tasty trap. Fried and fast foods. These are big-time inflammation boosters due to trans fats. Grilling, baking, and steaming are healthier preparation methods that keep those omega balances in check. Managing RA doesn't just stop at medication. Diet plays a massive role too. By avoiding these 7 types of food, you can take an active step towards minimizing your RA symptoms. And remember, every person's body reacts differently, so feel free to adjust these tips based on what works best for you. And if you're looking to deepen your knowledge about nutrition and its impacts, check out my book, NutriFit. It's packed with insights on how to tailor your diet according to your health needs, avoiding the pitfalls of harmful eating habits. You can find it on our website, linked below, or at major bookstores. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and share this video with anyone you think might benefit. Catch you next time on Fit Life Hub.